Hello, anybody home? Hello? Einstein, come here, boy.
I'll see you tonight. Don't forget now, 1:15 a.m., Twin Pines Mall.
Right.
As I walk through the valley where I harvest my grain, I take a look at my wife and realize she's very plain. But that's just perfect for an Amish like me. You know I shine fancy things like electricity. At 4:30 in the morning I'm milking cows. Jebediah meets the chickens and Jacob plows. Fool, and I've been milking and plowing so long that even Ezekiel thinks that my mind is gone. I'm a man of the land, I'm into
waiting for school.
It'll get caught right more few strict in a row. Alright, come on. I think I say, come on.
You know, I was on that phone. The doc on this was complex 25 minutes. Slow. Doc. Slow. Doc. Slow. Doc. Slow. Doc. Slow. Doc.
I understand, Doc. Hardy was 4 in a row. Pre-advised Doc. Dangerous. He's nutcase. Big trouble.
Oh, yes, sir.
Added slacker. Your father was slacker too. Band auditions. Why bother him if you don't have a chance?
No McFly ever amounted to anything in the history of Hillsdale.
Yeah, well, history is going to change.
Hold it, fellas. I'm afraid you're just too darn loud. Next, please.
Running.
One game, and this after you're good at the end of this. Marty, you're rich.
Just don't get it anymore. Never chance play the
Party should have the work.
Cut it out from music.
Okay, bro. If you're
Mind you can know your mind.
got to send it in flight rate.
Yeah,
to the record company. It's Doc.
Oh, if you complicate anything.
That's good advice, Marty. What about here?
Jennifer!
And where's my reports? I gotta have time to get them retired. You realize what would happen if I handed my... where's my reports? I have your car towed all the way to your house, and all you got for me is light beer?
I know what you're going to say, son.
Your Uncle Joey didn't make parole again.
Everybody!
Stein. Car?
Watch this.
Yeah, okay.
Shit.
The stainless steel construction made the flux dispersal.
Look out!
This readout tells you where you're going. Upside down. Here, would you like an upside down? Declaration of Independence. The Christ. The date in the history of science, November 5th.
Sorry about your barn.
What'd you do? Jump ship?
What?
Jump ship?
What?
Jump ship?
What?
Jump ship?
What?
Well, what's with the life preserver?
What?
Yeah, it's in the bag.
What? You know where 1640 Riverside...
Are you gonna order something, kid?
What?
Yeah, unless you order something.
All right, give me a Pepsi free.
You want a Pepsi, pal? You're gonna pay for it.
What?
Say what again? I dare you. I double dare you, mother...
Just give me something without any sugar in it, okay?
Hey, McFly. Fly.
Fly! Wouldn't want that to happen.
What are you looking at, butthead?
$15 this guy's life preserved. Dork thinks he's gonna drown.
Been Sundays. Oh, McFly, your shoes on.
What? What?
You're George McFly.
What?
You high. Help. What?
What? What?
What? Mayor. Dad! He's a peeping Tom. Dad! Mom? So you're my Uncle Joey. Better get used to these bars, kid.
What?
Hey, I've seen this one. This is a classic.
What do you mean you've seen this?
I get it, go. I get it, go. Thanks very much. much. It was wonderful. You were all great. See you all later. I'm from the future.
Next Saturday night, we're sending you back to the future.